Hello, Ballinger Creek parents, students, staff, and community members. I am Megan Stein, your proud principal. It's hard to believe in just a few short weeks we bid farewell to 2021. This year has been one of monumental reopening, where we faced many challenges, we've experienced so much growth as well as success. Our collaboration with each of you and your children has allowed us to get off this school year to a great start and welcome over 600 smiling faces back into the walls of our school. We've learned so much throughout this pandemic, and I truly believe our staff and our community stands poised to support each of you now more than ever. We understand that relationships are paramount and that the time that we invest in your trust and in our collaboration matters. We also know that we have to focus on a comprehensive student development. There is much more that our kids can learn within these walls beyond just their academic growth. We're better today than we were last month, than we were when we reopened in August, and that we will be for you well into 2022. Thank you for your time, your investment, and your grace as we've all gone through this extraordinary school year. We look forward to kicking off 2022 just as strong as we have this past year and collaborating with you as we continue to love, learn, lead, and succeed. I wish you all a joyous December and a wonderful new year.